I remember drawing battle lines. Every word was ammunition in disguise. Thought I knew exactly who you were. Pride and anger left me feeling so secure. But something changed the day you broke down. Saw beneath the armor you wore like a crown. Each step closer blurs the boundaries we made. All those years of fighting start to fade. What if everything I thought was wrong? What if strength means learning to belong? Never thought I'd see the light in your eyes, breaking through the walls we built so high. Now I'm standing here with arms open wide, finding peace in letting go of pride, letting go tonight. Yesterday's weapons gathered dust. Time revealed what anger tried to hide from us. In the silence between right and wrong, found the truth that made me question all along. When you reached across the great divide, something in my spirit came alive. Every battle scar begins to heal as the person that I feared becomes so real. What if all this time we've been the same? What if there's no victory in this game? Never thought I'd see the light in your eyes, breaking through the walls we built so high. Now I'm standing here with arms open wide, finding peace in letting go of pride, letting go tonight. In surrender, we both rise. No more enemies, just you and I. The war is over, we're both free to become who we're meant to be. Never thought I'd see the light, breaking through the walls we built so high. Now we're standing here with arms open wide, strength in letting go of pride. You're letting go tonight, tonight. Parked my car on Cedar Street, looking at my old school. Everything seems different now, but somehow still the same. Walking past the corner store where we used to hang. Every step I'm taking here brings back yesterday. These streets feel smaller than before, but my heart feels so much more, feels so much more. The baseball field's overgrown. Dad taught me how to pitch. I found our names carved in that tree behind the rusty screen. Kids playing in my front yard where I used to live. Oh, chase me now, like waves against the shore. Thought I knew just who I was, till I walked through this town once more. These streets feel smaller than before, but my heart feels so much more, feels so much everything, made peace with who I am. Looking back, I finally see how far I've come to be. These streets feel smaller than before, but my heart feels so much more, feels so much more. Like home. Far from home tonight, temperature dropping low. Something in the air feels different, like electricity in my bones. Colors start to dance across the frozen sky. My breath catches in on a wonder. Under these dancing lights, I finally feel alive. Colors paint my soul tonight. I finally feel alive. Arctic wind burns cold, but I can't look away. Green and purple waves above me, breaking through years of gray. Been searching so long, time stands still up here, but heaven neath the earth. Now, under these dancing lights, I finally feel alive. Colors paint my soul tonight. I finally feel alive. All the emptiness I carried, dissolving in the frost. Every heartbeat getting stronger. Everything I thought was lost, rising with the light. Rising with the light. Under these dancing lights, I finally feel alive. Colors paint my soul tonight. I finally Time stands still when you take my hand, walking through empty streets again, past the places where we first began. Every light above seems to understand, moving slow through this perfect space, taking in your beautiful face. Something's different in the air tonight, making everything feel so right. The music's playing from somewhere far, we're dancing close beneath the stars. Can't help but wonder as we sway, we make this moment last forever. Pressing pause on the world outside, pure perfection as our paths collide. People passing but they fade away, in this bubble where we wanna stay. Memory making with every breath, simple silence that I'll never forget. Racing hearts in a perfect tune, under this same summer moon. Your fingers tracing patterns slow, as gentle breezes softly blow. I need to ask before you go, can we make this moment last forever? Can we make this moment last forever? Can we make this moment last forever? Time is rushing by, everything is perfect right here. Stay close. Can we make this moment last forever? This moment's all we need to know.
Standing here